A warm greetings to all. Myself Jigyasa Bhatt, and here is my presentation on the topic fermentation by lactic acid bacteria. These are my contents. And firstly, introduction to fermentation. It is the chemical transformation of organic substances into simpler compounds by the action of enzymes produced by microorganisms such as molds, yeast, or bacteria. Enzymes act by hydrolysis, which is a process of breaking down or pre-digesting complex organic molecules to form smaller compounds and nutrients. In microorganisms, fermentation is the primary means of producing ATP by the degradation of organic nutrients anaerobically. Humans have used fermentation to produce foodstuffs and beverages. For example, it is used for preservation process, which produces lactic acid found in sour foods such as pickle and yogurt, as well as it is also used for producing alcoholic beverages such as wine and beer. Now, the process of fermentation. It is an anaerobic biochemical process in which the first step is same as cellular respiration, which is the formation of pyruvic acid by glycolysis. In the next step, pyruvate is reduced to lactic acid, ethanol, or other products, and at last, NAD positive is formed, which is reutilized back in the glycolysis process. Types of fermentation. Fermentation are classified in terms of either the substrate fermented or the fermentation products formed. Some of the major type of fermentation on the basis of products formed, and they are alcoholic fermentation, lactic acid fermentation, propionic acid fermentation, and butyric acid fermentation. So here I am going to discuss about lactic acid fermentation. What is lactic acid? It is a catabolic product of primary metabolism of microbes, which is responsible for the sour flavor of food products and also for the curdling of milk. It is also produced by many higher organisms, including man, who produce the acid in the muscle during workout. A lactic acid starter is a basic starter culture used in the dairy industry. For cheese making of all kinds, lactic acid production is essential, and the lactic acid starter is employed for this purpose. Lactic acid bacteria. They are a group of gram-positive bacteria, non-respiring, non-spore forming, cocci or rod-shaped. Some of the species of lactic acid bacteria are Lactococcus, Streptococcus, Enterococcus, Lactobacillus, and Pediococcus, etc. They lack porphyrin or cytochrome, that is, they do not carry out electron transport phosphorylation and hence obtain energy by substrate level phosphorylation. Substrate level phosphorylation is a type of reaction, chemical reaction, that results in the formation and creation of ATP by the direct transfer and donation of phosphate group to ATP. They grow anaerobically but not killed by oxygen. They obtain their energy from sugars, and they are found in environment where sugar is present. Lactic acid fermentation. It is a metabolic process by which glucose or other 6-carbon sugars are converted into cellular energy and the metabolite lactate or lactic acid. It is an anaerobic fermentation reaction that occurs in some bacteria and animal cells such as muscle cells. Lactic acid fermentation has two steps. The first step is glycolysis that occurs in every living organisms, in which glucose molecule proceeds through a several biochemical reactions and finally converted into pyruvate molecule. And in this case, 2 ADP and 2 molecules of inorganic phosphate combines together and give 2 ATP molecules. And there is also a coenzyme NAD positive is also present, which get reduced and give 2 NADH and 2 protons. After that, second step is NAD positive regeneration, in which pyruvate molecule in the absence of oxygen gets converted into lactate or lactic acid in the presence of the enzyme lactate dehydrogenase, and finally NADH is reconverted into NAD positive, and this will again used in glycolysis process. Types of lactic acid fermentation. There are two types of two fermentative pathways are observed. First is homofermentative pathway. It ferments glucose with lactic acid as the primary byproduct. This pathway follows the glycolysis process, and and Lactobacillus lacti shows homofermentative pathway. Second is heterofermentative pathway. It ferments glucose with lactic acid, ethanol, acetic acid, and carbon dioxide as the byproduct. This pathway follows the pentose phosphate pathway instead of glycolysis. The bacteria which shows this pathway are Lactobacillus bifermentis, Leuconostoc lactis, and Leuconostoc mesenteroids. These are also used for souring vegetables like cucumbers, cabbage, producing pickles, sauerkraut, respectively. Application of lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation is used in many areas of the world to produce foods that cannot be produced through other methods. The most common application of lactic acid fermentation are in the production of yogurt and sauerkraut. Lactic acid acts as a preservative and antioxidants. Preservatives are used to preserve foodstuffs, and antioxidants are compounds that inhibit oxidation. Lactic acid fermentation benefits to human health such as improved digestion of lactose and also to introduce calcium into the body in the form of calcium lactate in disease of calcium deficiency. Thank you.